Some people would approach me and say, Ozzie, how come you never smile? It's not that I don't want to, it's because I'm embarrassed to. My name is Ozzie Canseco. I'm Jose Canseco's twin brother, ex-Major League superstar. My brother's team picked me up, signed me as a hitter, and I made it to the Major Leagues by 1990. My favorite memory was when I was playing with the Huntsville Stars and the Oakland Athletics came down to play a game on their day off. I managed to get lucky and hit a home run that game. As I was running the bases, I did not realize that my brother had come out of the dugout and was waiting for me at home plate. So once I got there, I looked up. Here I see my brother waiting for me, and we did the forearm bash. That was the most kind of a supernatural out-of-body experience I've ever had in baseball. I think every professional athlete goes through struggles with their body and also their teeth, their mouth. I almost called a grinder because of stress or whatever. I would grind my teeth profusely at nighttime. Also impacts. In baseball, if you dive for a ball, you just manage to hit the ground the wrong way. Jose and I were avid martial artists. We did some boxing. So after a while, I realized, I love to smile. I'm a very outgoing person. But once I saw my smile, I took one day and I said, wow, your smile's terrible. My teeth were just so ground down that I stopped smiling. Some people would approach me and say, Ozzie, how come you never smile? It's not that I don't want to, it's because I'm embarrassed to. I literally went from this to this. Well, Jose started the process off. He was the one that was having issues at first. So he did a lot of research, called different facilities in different states even. And then finally we wound up here. We did an interview with Anna, and then Jose brought me along. He said, hey Ozzie, we need to do something about your teeth. I was also doing some appearances. I currently just received my license to be a realtor. So to act in the capacity of a realtor, a smile goes a long way. Anna is very easy to speak to. She is very knowledgeable on her craft. Once at least I saw the facility, I realized, wow, this is a very professional facility. It's just beautiful, it's state of the art. The staff is fantastic. The process, speaking, the interview, was very, very, very easy. I went first. Like Jose said, I was the guinea pig. I went first, and my only concern was waking up during the procedure. The only time that I was revived was I was being asked, Mr. Canseco, please keep your mouth open, please keep your mouth open. Other than that, I was dreaming about wonderful things and zero pain. So the process was seamless. It seemed to fly by and absolutely zero pain. For me, it was a relief. Even though the first teeth that I received were temporary teeth, to me, they looked beautiful. I was on top of the world. The next day, I actually played golf when I should have been resting and icing. I just wanted to go out amongst the world, amongst people, and just smile. I was so happy to be able to smile again and show these beautiful teeth. Psychologically, it gave me energy and a positive view that I didn't have before. I just saw the pictures of my before and after, and Anna was next to me, and I said, Anna, please don't show me my befores because it makes me sad. Please remove the before, because I didn't really realize the impact that smile had until I was able to see the impact that my new smile has. Not to mention the aesthetics. You don't have to worry about cavities, infections. You completely remove that out of the equation. I would recommend it to anyone that's having any kind of issues with their mouth, especially from your 40s on up, because that's when these issues really rear its ugly hair. Moving forward, you're removing other problems and potential issues. You're completely removing them from the equation. Is it a process? Yes. It's not an overnight thing. Anna did her due diligence. She kept fitting me with the right, we kept making adjustments, colors, cut. Her goal was to create teeth for me that are extremely attractive and functional at the same time, which was very important. Especially now, these techniques have come such long ways. It's much easier to accomplish, and also it's very cost effective in comparison to the past. In Jose's case, he opted for veneers about 20 years ago. They look fantastic, but unfortunately, veneers don't last. He began to have problems with his veneers falling out, popping out. He had to put some kind of a flipper in there temporarily. He told me, Ozzie, if I could have gone with a full mouth restoration, if they had these techniques 20 years ago, I would have obviously gone with them, but they didn't. It solved many problems, especially the one of being embarrassed where teeth would fall out or come out. And he had a slight infection on a part of his mouth, cleaned up completely. So in his case, solved any health issues he had, and now he's got a beautiful set of teeth and a beautiful smile that are stable. They have a great foundation to them. So do I. In closing, if anyone is having issues or problems with their teeth, I highly recommend AVIVA, and their staff is fantastic. She's very knowledgeable. Everything here is top-notch, A1 professionalism.